Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Noémie, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these fun TikTok / Pinterest inspired clay rings. I've seen them all over and they're really cool. I've seen some that sell for like hundreds of dollars, so I thought I would just make some with what I have because obviously it's not going to cost as much money. And yeah, so I just want to show you guys so you guys can recreate some, and they're really fun to do. I've made some other ones. I'll put a picture right here, and I loved how those turned out, so I definitely wanted to make more and film it for you guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Yeah, let's get right into it. There's a freaking airplane. The sound in this video I hope is not too bad. We will see. So the clay that I'm going to be using is called Fimo, but there's obviously different types that you can use. And I have a couple colors here. As you can see, I've already like used these before. Damn airplanes. Okay, so I mixed in this teal color right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and do one of those snake growths with it. And I'm going to try to do the ring that looks like squiggles. I'm not sure how to say it. I'm gonna try to do that. Hopefully it's long enough because I don't have that much. Okay, so I have my little snake, and then I'm gonna start to I don't even know how to explain this. Just kind of push it into the shape that I want, hopefully without digging my nails into it, which I already did. And then you just want to stay consistent with like the height of your squiggles, right? So they all match. I'm acting like this is a tutorial, but I don't really know what I'm doing either. I'm just trying my best. I definitely won't have enough to make a whole ring. Shoot. Okay, so you see the point. I don't have enough, so I'm gonna have to either make it shorter or add more. Okay guys, so I finally got this ring to look okay. I don't want to touch it just so it doesn't fall apart. And it's kind of flimsy obviously, but I think it looks really cute. So hopefully when I cook it, it'll stay the same way and won't fall apart in the oven. Okay, so the next ring I want to do is going to be this orange one. This one hopefully is easier than the last one. That one was kind of hard honestly, just because it would fall apart every time I would kind of like move it to make that like pattern. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to say that. And I think this orange is kind of too orange for me, so I'm going to add some yellow to it, and hopefully it'll make it like a prettier, like kind of light orange. Okay, so I have my color mixed out. It's kind of like a lighter orange. I'm gonna go ahead and do the snake thing again. Okay, so I ended up not liking how I had flattened it out the first time, so I'm redoing the snake, and this time I'm just gonna wrap it around. I did one of those last time and I really liked how it turned out. It was like a double like circle that I did. I don't even know how to explain. I'm really not good at explaining. Okay, so just wrap it around once and then go again a second time, and then where the second one stops, I'm gonna cut it off like right here. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, I'm making a heart ring now.
What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
So I'm gonna try to make some light blue with some white. That's pretty. It's like a tie-dye. I don't know if I should mix it more.
I just want to start a great big flame down in your heart. Down in your heart. I just want to.
So while we're at it, I decided to make some earrings. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pierce a hole so I can insert them into the earrings afterwards. Hey guys, so this is what the rings ended up looking like. They're really cute. I really like how they turned out. So I glazed them and then I let them sit for like 24 hours. This one has like a tie-dye band and this one's also tie-dye, and then this one actually turned out pretty well. I'm glad it didn't fall apart in the oven. And this is the orange one. Really cool.